those who are joining me right now, hello everyone, we are just having a Christmas party. That's me here now. Raja.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, that was my
Happy
birthday.
early birthday.
Happy early birthday.
Thank you for nice cake.
Thank you very much for coming along, mate. Thank you. Right,
Bring
so
the cake box, eh?
Right, okay, so the people are now about to go now. We
Punjabi Christmas music preservation presents for you again, one more time, again and again. Punjabi Christmas album part 3. More songs, more fun album. Taking all of your favorite Christmas songs and converting them into Punjabi again, one more time again. Such as Jingle Bells, produced by Dr. Seuss. Come on, guys, what's wrong with you? Silent night. It's Navidad.
ਸਾਡੇ ਮੈਕਸੀਕਨ ਵੀਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਭੈਣ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਫਲੀਸ ਨਾਵੀਦਾਦ ਬਾਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੰਤ ਮੂਰਤ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਜਾਵੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਫਲੀਸ ਨਾਵੀਦਾਦ ਹੱਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੋਟੀਆਂ ਖੜਾਓ ਪੰਜਾਟਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਟ ਪੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਸਿਰ ਪਾੜ ਦੋ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਫਲੀਸ ਨਾਵੀਦਾਦ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਫਲੀਸ ਨਾਵੀਦਾਦ
Say something. Yeah, just a little bit back. Towards the pitch, towards you. Yeah, that's it.
Right, guys. So
Bring everyone in if you want.
this is our publicised end of year Christmas party. There is
Hello, everyone. Yeah, she's saying goodbye here.
great time.
Yeah.
It has been the end to a momentous year for Bhangra size. We have had about 100 different people come to our classes over the last year, and bigger and better than ever before. We're getting about 20 to 30 people every week, which is fantastic because not only is it good for your health, good for their health, it's great for stress relief and having a great time.
And thank you very much for my birthday wishes as well.
Thanks for Ray, who's become our resident videographer. We've got kids classes now, which is fantastic. I love you all and have a great Merry Christmas and New Year's from the Popular Size team. And we love you guys.
Bye.